Hi there, this is Gog. Gog is a caveman. He is one of the first human beings who decided to find out a solution for every problem that comes his way. Gog is very creative and motivated to learn more and find out more about everything. Brave Gog is going to share the genesis of every genius creation with us in this channel. And hopefully, with his knowledge being shared with us, we get to know more about the beginning of every tool and thing that we are using in our modern life today. However, Gog is a caveman, but he gets happy with every new friend he finds, so let's be Gog's friend, subscribing to his life journey, and also let's show some love with pushing the like button to him. Sometimes Gog is lonely and needs to hear from a good friend. Our comments will be a good way of communication to him. Gog is very thankful for your love and support, and he will make sure to love you back. Genesis of Genius. This episode by Gog and the First Fire, directed by Arash. Long, long ago, before people knew about fire, Gog lived happily in his cave. His cave was cozy but a little dark and cold. Gog ate berries, drank water, and enjoyed the sunshine. Life was simple and good. But one day, something changed. The sky turned dark, the wind howled, and the rain poured down. Poor Gog was cold, very, very cold. Gog tries to cover himself with leaves and hides in a corner, but it doesn't help. He looks around, thinking hard. Suddenly, crack! A bright light flashed in the sky. A huge bolt of lightning struck a tree, and something amazing happened. Gog steps closer, carefully. The tree is burning, and he feels warmth on his face. He stretches his hands out, feeling cozy. For the first time, Gog felt something new. Warmth from the fire. It was hot, bright, and it made the dark night glow. Gog picked up a burning stick carefully and took it back to his cave. Gog brought fire to his home. The cave was no longer dark and cold. He had found something powerful. Gog put some dry leaves near the fire, and they also start burning. He laughed, clapped his hands, and danced around the fire. Gog sat near the fire, smiling and warming his hands. The rain outside stops, and the stars shine. And from that day on, fire changed everything. It gave warmth and light, and later even helped cook food. But Gog didn't know that yet. His adventure had only just begun. And that's how Gog discovered fire. The morning after the rain, Gog went out of the cave. Such wonderful weather. The sun was shining and birds singing. Gog, who now is familiar with how to make a fire, decided to share the scientific explanation of fire with the world. Fire is a reaction called combustion. It happens when three things come together. 1, fuel, something that can burn, like wood or dry leaves. 2, oxygen, the air around us. 3rd, heat, something that makes it hot enough to start burning, like lightning, matches, or a spark. When lightning hits a tree, the heat is so strong that it makes the wood catch fire. The fire keeps burning as long as there is enough wood and oxygen. At the end of the day, Gog was standing by the fire at his warm and cozy cave. He was very happy and satisfied with his new discovery, and he never felt cold in his cave anymore. If you like this story of Gog, make him happy by showing some love to him, and subscribe to Gog's life journey to hear more about his discoveries in the future. Share with Gog about your experiences with fire and help him to learn more and more. See you soon, friends.